Hi everyone, hope you all doing well. Okay, today I have a video to share with you. Here we will be using the Countif and the Sumproduct formula to find out the unique count of employees in the database that I have got. Okay, so if we count the total number of employees in Excel, it will show us as 14, as you can see from the range here. Okay, so now that's not what we want. We want one for all employees in the group of one, or all employees with the name 1. Then again for employee 2 we want 1, employee 3 we want 1, employee 4 we want 1, 5 we want 1, 6 we want 1. Okay, so there would be a total unique count of 6 employees. Okay, so how do we go about doing it? So we'll just put in a formula here, count if, sorry, my bad, and I'll put in the range from here. Now for the criteria I'll also put in the same range and just closing the bracket. So don't be misled by this number. This is nothing to be worried about. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and do one thing. This is what the formula is. What I'll do is I'll just divide this whole thing by 1. So I'll 1 divided by this one. Okay, so I'm getting 0.5 here. Now the trick is to put in a sum product here. Sum product and closing the bracket, and we get a total count of 6 unique numbers. So for all employee 1 we get 1, employee 2 we get 1, that's total of 2, employee 3 we get 1, total of 3, employee 4 1, total of 4, 5 1, total of 5, total is 5, and for employee 6 we are getting one more. Total unique employee is 6. Now the problem here is this formula works fine, but what if I delete this employee number 5? You see I'm getting a error. So how do I go about fixing this? Okay, now what I need to do here is put in a conditional formula, nested formula. So what I'll do is I'll remove this 1 and I'll put in 2 brackets here. Okay, I'll choose this range again, close it, and this should not be equal, this should not be equal to blank. Okay, and I'll close the bracket here, first bracket, and what I'll do here is I'll put in an ampersand here, sorry, and include a double quote here and enter sum product formula. I'm still getting 6, but the divided by 1 has been replaced with a logical formula. Okay, so even if I delete this employee 5 now, I get a count of 5 employees, but I don't get an error value. Okay, so if I delete employee 4, it remains the same, because there are 2 4 employees with number EMP4. Now suppose I delete the whole 6 employees here, I'll still get 5 here, because 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let me just control Z. So this is how we go about calculating the unique count of employees using sum product as well as Countif formula. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and provide your feedback. I'll be very I'll just reply to your email, feedback, and any questions that you might have. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you.